Hello guys, nandito na po tayo sa Florida. Day 3. Florida po. Florida. Ito po yung Florida po. Florida Port. Dadaong na po tayo sa Florida Port, mga kakarma. So mag-stop over tayo dito ng all day. At saka yung pupuntahan po natin dito, bababa po tayo dito sa barko. And masusurpresa kayo kung saan namin kayo dadalhin ngayong araw sa Florida. Okay, so stay tuned. Panurin muna natin guys kung ano kaganda itong Florida. Florida po ay part pa rin ng US. Okay. Yan. Naglabasan lahat ang mga... Yun si Kuya. Kuya! Hindi niya na ako narinig. Si Kuya yun, nagluluto sila sa baba. May pupuntahan tayo mamaya guys. Samahan nyo kami. Huwag kayong mag-skip sa mga video namin. Carlino Polston Polish. By the way guys, yung captain ng barko na to, itong Royal Caribbean Odyssey, ay isang Polish po. Napakabait po niya. Alam niya magsalita ng konting Pilipino. Kagabi nung nagpa-picture kami, sabi niya, salamat po Pilipinas. You got it?
Yeah.
Naku guys, nakuha niya na yung pera guys.
Nanalo tayo.
Nandito na tayo sa port, Florida.
May internet na ako! Galis ko!
Boston, that's Polish.
Come here, Dee. Come here. Florida Port. I have internet.
Babay tayo dun.
Babay na ako. I cannot do it.
I can't. I don't know how to do it.
No idea.
Carlino. And that is Poland.
Florida Port.
Commercial. Sigurado guys, may mga Pilipino dyan guys. Mahiligit pala mga Poland sa ano. Tingnan ko ang kanina.
Oh, malapit.
Yeah.
So, from here, mag-jump ka na lang yan, Dada, di ba? Diretso ka na, di ba? Jump ka lang.
Aha. So, ito po guys, ang Florida. Port Florida. Anong pangalan ng Port Lauderdale?
Canaveral.
Canaveral?
Canaveral. going down in 15 minutes.
Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Florida. Blablabla. Okay, dadaong na tayo mamaya. Cut muna natin. We're getting there guys, we're getting there. So dadaong na tayo guys. So ito yung daungan nila, I see. Alright, samahan nyo kami guys. May ilang oras tayong maglalakwat sa dito. Babalik din tayo uli mamayang hapon. Okay? So let's go. Dadaong na. Dadaong na. Guys, lalabas kami sa barko. Lalabas kami ngayon sa barko. Punta tayo sa Florida. Alright guys. Oh, tingnan nyo ha, nakasa sunglasses ako guys. Nawala yung mga eye bag ko. Ito si ate nyo, gutom na. So guys, pupunta tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa pupuntahan natin sa meeting place according to the almanac. Kasi lalabas tayo sa barko guys, just like I said before. Lalabas po tayo, may sorpresa kami sa inyo at sasamahan nyo kami mamaya. Alright, cut ko muna to.
Sirado po.
Litong-lito ako. Iba talaga guys, basta babae ang naglilid. Pupunta sa dulo, babalik doon sa ano, tapos balik na naman. Tapos punta na naman sa kanan. Punta na naman sa kaliwa. Ay. So guys, iwan ko.
Si Ron ko lang nag-pick ko color sa koan. Tapos, ang kami third time, kasi na 5,900 first part.
Parang merong briefing muna.
Oh. I have internet now, that's why I called. Okay. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Sino yan?
Si ate. Nakadaog yun ka? Nakadaog yun ka?
Kadungog sa asan? Kadungog ka asa? So parang merong konting briefing dito guys. Okay, linya muna tayo dito. Alright guys, we're moving out. So,
In December, while in New Jersey, it's very cold.
ang pupuntahan natin ngayon guys sa sagot. Man.
Kennedy Space Center.
Yes! Bibisitahin natin doon para makita nyo rin. First time din namin magpunta doon guys. Okay, so papunta na po tayo. Lumabas po tayo sa barko.
In December, mainit. I love it. Grabe kayo ang negosyo, no?
Grabe ang negosyo. Sana ganito na rin sa Pilipinas guys. Magkaisa. Para ganito ang sistema sa Pilipinas. So ito ang pa-follow natin guys, yung yellow.
Kasi natin mga kasamahan natin para hindi tayo mawala.
Para hindi tayo mawala. Yellow flag po tayo.
Hindi tayo yellow flag. Ang yellow flag
Bakit sabi mo kanina yellow? Ayun po yung ano, yun po yung boat guys. Ang laki-laki, ang laki-laki.
Picture tayo dyan.
Ayun na. Alright. Ano man? Space Kennedy? Akala ko you follow and then... Han, come here. Kennedy. Look, they're not following you.
Mainit po.
Ticket guys, listen.
Chicken salad ready.
Right here. And here you are. Here you are. Welcome on board. Hello. How are you doing today?
Good.
Here we are. Welcome on
Alright,
board.
thank you. Ito yung bus na sasakyan natin guys.
5 o'clock we'll be on board as well.
Hello kuya. Alright, find your seat.
Put this around.
Hello. So ito yung sasakyan natin papuntang Space Kennedy. Dito po kami guys.
Hi.
Pumayat na po kami.
Pumayat ng mga buhok namin.
Ayan guys. Tagyan lang tag yung sarili. Okay.
It was 60 degrees and we were in bubble coats. I was wearing gloves. It was freezing. But it's a crisp 81 today. And you're just missing the storm that's coming through tomorrow as well. So you're at a great day.
We're
And
lucky.
there's a breeze at the Kennedy Space Center. We're right off the water. So it's a perfect day for you all. Now on everybody's seats, you're going to see there is a yellow wristband. Those are our friendship bracelets now. Congratulations, we're all best friends.
Friends forever.
But there's so we know that you are from Odyssey of the Seas today. There are two separate ships out there, yours and another one from MSC. So when you're coming back, your main job is to look for all of us wearing these yellow wristbands. We will also have somebody out there holding a yellow sign that says Odyssey on it. That's you, friends. You all are going to get in the line that says Odyssey. If you're back up, both returned not long ago from space. They launch here in Cape Canaveral and on Merritt Island. They go on up and they land on a mobile barge out in the ocean, and they take the same canals as your cruise ship to come on back over here. They hang out for a couple of days. That big old crane moves them onto a different mobile barge, and they take the channels back to Hangar X to be reused and recycled. They have been able to reuse boosters up to 25 different times. So it's a big jump from the Space Shuttle program. We would have the solid rocket boosters in the external tank, and those were difficult to reuse, if not impossible. Now, where we drop you off is where we pick you up today. Again, 5 o'clock is our departure time. There will be no earlier buses than 4:45. So 15 minutes prior to that final departure time is going to be when the buses start arriving. Again, that is 4:45 for you all. Again, if you come out a few minutes early, that is okay. We will be having you wait just at those picnic tables. We'll guide you to them, no worries. And then again, you'll hear my very loud voice calling for everybody to line on up. Now the whole point of us being on this bus is. So you'll be learning all about that. It's a bit of a smaller exhibit, so you can get through it in about 30 to 45 minutes. And those are the 3 highlights for you all, as well as the Rocket Garden. The Rocket Garden is directly outside of Gateway, and it is the only one that's going to be outdoors for you, the only exhibit. And they are real rockets, some of them. There is a fully guided tour that begins. Every couple of minutes, there's a sign out front if you would like to hear that. The people who run them are very entertaining and very informative. And everything is included, that we're saying is included with your general admission today. So when you're stepping off of the buses, please make sure you see our faces. We have your tickets. That is the most important thing to get on in today. Bastrop Hall of Fame is what it was called. It was the museum for it, and that's where the education was as well. When everything was getting taken down to get turned off on the screen. And my mom called me and she was like, and I was absolutely. And I ran straight to open the module, and I was just, that's awesome. I was like 19, and I'm just, I've touched space. This is it. Well, she said, do you want to come see the stuff? I touched it. You're right. Yes. All right, friends, we're officially on Kennedy Space Center property out here. Coming up on the left-hand side for you all, that's going to be Blue Origin, owned and operated by Jeffrey Bezos. So if anybody else has an Amazon problem, that's where the money goes. The goal of Blue Origin is commercial space flight as well as space travel, working on 2 different ships.
I'll be there.
The New Glenn and the New Shepard.
That's where they.
The New Shepard launched for the 3rd time just a couple of days ago.
To the space, remember
and the
they
New
went
Glenn
out.
is on launch pad 36 right now.
Is it still there? Do you know, David? Is it still out there?
What?
Is the New Glenn still out there? Or did they move it again?
They moved it again.
Never mind, they moved it again.
You can't see it from here. You have
Oh, wow.
Yeah, on the bus tour, right?
to, no, the bigger.
I'm riding that one day.
Okay.
I'm riding that one day.
Blue
Blue Origin.
Oh, that is nice.
That's nice. That's where they work.
So if you're interested in going to space
Continue
for a
buying
15-minute
Amazon.
space
That's where
flight,
it goes.
it is going for $450,000.
We'll work on it.
But a month long is $3.2 million. But it's all inclusive. I hope you like your lasagna freeze-dried and dehydrated.
450. And
So the area out here that the Kennedy Space Center sits on is part of Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. It's the 2nd largest wildlife refuge in the dedicated to wildlife and wildlife conservation. Ta-da! So straight ahead of you on the right-hand side, that is going to be the Atlantis building. That is a 2-scale mock-up of the external tank and the solid rocket boosters. That is what the space shuttle would attach to when it launched into space. And the rockets on the left-hand side of you, that is going to be the Rocket Garden.
Oh, the rocket garden. All the rockets. On the left-hand side. You'll see it.
Now the parking structure that we go under over here is made to look like the crawler. And the crawler is what was used to bring space shuttles and rockets on out to the launch sites. They would move it from the VAB
That's where you walk.
out to whatever launch pad they were using. It could take days. When something was on board, it would go 1 mile an hour. But when nothing's on board, they absolutely love to kick it to high gear. It goes 2 miles an hour.
No, now it goes slower because the rockets are heavier.
Oh, really?
It goes a half a mile an hour.
It goes a half a mile an hour now.
Wow. Is this
Do
slow?
they still kick it up to high gear?
Yeah. Full throttle.
Look at the street on the rockets.
Also, there's 25 to 30
You see
people
the
walk
rockets there
alongside.
on your right.
1.2 miles.
Did you see it?
Make sure everything's working
On the
great.
rockets.
You couldn't pay me enough. He's so honest.
All right, friends.
Alright guys,
Hello.
Good
Nandito
Karma
kami.
Pinoy ay nandito ngayon sa
Kennedy Space Center, NASA. Ano
NASA.
ibig sabihin ng NASA?
NASA
National Aeronautics Services Association.
Wow, ang galing. Sana all. So guys, Let's watch out. Tingnan natin doon. So ito yung mga booth. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon. Papasyal tayo ngayon. Guys. So ito yung nasa guys. Dito pinapalipad lahat ang mga rockets. So salamat sa kanila kung dahil wala ito. Wala tayong mga satellite, cellphone. Wala talaga. So thank you sa US. Sa mga scientists natin.
Dito, sa likod.
Okay.
Don't cover the knife.
So guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Super. So yun.
Tayo pa picture.
Maya na tayo dyan guys. Punta muna tayo doon.
Mga rockets nila.
Yan yung mga rockets guys na walang tao. Pwedeng satellite lang mga ano. So
Nagamit na siguro
mga
yan.
nagamit na yan guys. So hali kayo. Panoorin natin ang napakagandang araw. Good Karma Pinoy ay nasa Florida. Plan your day.
Dito kami ah.
Pasok tayo dito guys. Samahan nyo kami, okay? Oh, si robot. Wow, ito yung mga rockets guys. Tingnan nyo guys, ang laki-laki ng rocket guys. Dami nila. Totoo itong mga rocket guys na ano na to siya, according to them, ito ay na gamit na. Wow, capsule ito guys. Tingnan natin na ito lang pala ang loob ng capsule nila. Sa loob na guys. Pasok guys, ito ang capsule. Ito yata yung hinulugan ni ni Armstrong noon. Pumasok si Ate Darling. So ito po yung nahulog na galing sa may tao pong nakalagay diyan. Picture. So
Hindi na muna ako magpunta sa moon.
Oo.
Hindi na muna ako magpunta sa moon.
Wag na, yan ka lang. Hindi ka pwedeng tatayo. So imagine that. Sige, labas. Ingat. Guys, ang rocket na naman. Ito natin si There's something. Follow the leader. Yeah. Ako, patay na naman tayo. Ganda, Heroes and Legends. Nandun yung pangalan ko. Pagbalik na yan. So another capsule yeah. So ito yung magiging gateway. So right tayo guys. coffee. We're here for dito tayo para itour namin kayo. So meron silang Universe Theater.